Sports Minister Shakliar Warjri accompanied 76-year-old marathon runner Kmoin Wahlang to meet with Chief Minister Conrad Sangma to discuss her upcoming marathon race in Australia. After the meeting, Warjri briefed the media, saying that Kmoin Wahlang will represent the country in various marathon events in Australia, including the 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 1.5 kilometers and 500 meters races. He mentioned that both he and the Chief Minister met Wahlang to assure her of the government's support and to wish her success in bringing medals home for both the state and the country.
Hadu mentang idang bu aki DSO ki jungi ya kaba kinang penbek ki cingkin dia harkat ka jungi penbek lang ki pusat ke sports te mengilai keren ni ba nak liang jungi ni ka pandak kila ada pun ken nak liang juga office ng DSO te ke pa sengi tang hadin katahi ni setul kat noka amor de.
When asked about Wahlang representing the state internationally, Warjri expressed that it was a proud moment for the state and the entire country to see a 76-year-old woman competing in such a marathon. He emphasized that this pride extends beyond the government to every citizen, and he wished her good health and success in her endeavors.
Ilit na mataka marathon ngatry ka din ng 10 kilometer kedinam taka 1 kilometer kedin lai kilometer buat kasan spa meter kasan spa meter PE kejeng sengo kejunga meneh ke bangaya keren bat iru kuai ke bangga sengo kemen kelong ba hakarta kejung i kaba ila kenju adonyo pun ritli kisnam pada kerta kejung i ngadap kejeng kemen ba idang yo de kemen ke bokot ke bakia ba idang la ba in ya simbenta gim marathon ba fair kani ka diwan long kanuksa na kaunta ki omtang namta ki kang ba lan ki tinman nang ni sala juni wat lakini ki kun samlaru ba nga kermen ba kani ka jing ya simbenta ka jung i ga nong tang kanuksa ni pun jela jung iru ndri la paunam kumbila simbenta ki wi ki marathon ki wi ki jelaru ila long kisah ka kanuksa te ngi dap ka jing kemen ba Iwan Raru ia kenam berkeburam nak kementakan ke jelajuni.
Kmoin Wahlang, a long-distance runner from Meghalaya, has inspired many and has been invited to join the Indian athletics team for the 13th Pan-Pacific Masters Games 2024 in Gold Coast, Australia in November this year. The invitation from the Pan-India Masters Games Federation was based on her performance at an event in Hyderabad earlier this year. Wahlang will compete in the 800 meters, 1500 meters and 3000 meters events in the 75-plus age category from November 1st to 10th, 2024. Following her meeting with Chief Minister and Sports Minister of Meghalaya, Kmoin Wahlang expressed her gratitude for their support and hoped to inspire the next generation. She thanked the government of Meghalaya for its assistance and expressed hope for continued support in future races. Kmoin Wahlang aims to win medals internationally and bring pride to the state and the nation.
Yes, ngujunga tengah senguk kemen banget laban yo ban lei cita po Australia ban lei ban ya kon bat lagi kilong kumi long pa bat kena te katno ngadak bujing kemen namal ba haba kat ka kerta ke jonga ngalala ban yo ban po syajit sa kata ka bangat lei cita Australia te ngasngo ban ai kanam ko buram ita ublei tragen rat ba ulai rapianga ba ulai ai poringa ba ula plilat plinti nga bangsa la bandej bani kun biang sepo Australia ngara kajing jonga kuwa tengah kuwa namar bahaba ngalai ban marathon re la dangalai te longan ainuk salem na tani kun samla bangan ainuk saru na tani ki habarit ba niki kun samla ladangi alam nangi ki long kemi terigo wati i kunuk sa jonga ba kim kuwa syu ban le ki kam auria jong nek perthei rekin light na ki jing bam basni jing di basni te da ki jing alam nakti jong ki kon samlaro ai ba ki nang ki saprang bat ken long kita ki klur jong gari baro ko jing ne ki jing alam nakti yang ai ne ki jing hikai ne ki jing lek marathon ban pen klanyi ke mer paru ในสารมินิงไปละบันวันบันฮิกายอย่างนี้กันในแกจริงเลยที่เราทำ